So converse of Lagrange's theorem, what about this? We say it is not true. So what was the Lagrange's theorem? First we see. Lagrange's theorem is if H is subgroup of G, then order of G divided by order of H. This was the Lagrange's theorem, right? Now we check. So I write better. The statement was statement of Lagrange's theorem. If H is subgroup of G, then order of H divides order of G. This is the statement of Lagrange's theorem. Now what is the converge? Converge is if some number divide, is there a subgroup of that order? If like converge, let G is equal to, if we say 8 4, let G is equal to A4, then order of G is equal to 12. Why? Because A4 is the order of A4, we divide 4 factorial divided by 2. It is alternating group. What is A4? A4 is alternating group or subgroup. Alternating group is the group of even permutations. Now this order is the G we are taking A4 and order of G is 4, and we see 6 divide 12. 6 divide 12. So we check whether there is as 6 divides 12. So we show there is no subgroup of G of order 6. We show this thing. So first of all, we check which are the elements of A4. So first we see elements of A4. Let S is 1 2 3 4. We can take also A B C D, no problem. Then what is S4? S4 contains how many elements, and the element of S4 are permutation. Obviously 4 factorial, that is equal to 24. Now A4 is alternating group and this has 4 factorial divided by 2, that means even number. This is equal to 12. Okay, so A4 contains even permutations. What is even permutations? Even permutation, what is the definition? A permutation expressible as even number of transposition, or this we can two cycle is even permutation. This is the definition. Already we have done, but to remind you, I am writing again. Now we check the element, that means all even element of A4. So element of A4, obviously one is identity, because identity always is even permutation, so it is in A4. And so even permutations 1, 2, 3, this is even, because 1, 2, 3 we can write like 1, 3, 1, 2. It is the 2 transposition. Obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, this will not belong to A4 because it is odd. In terms of 2 cycles, if I write this become 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2. So it is 3. That means odd number. So only this type of element will fall in. So 1, 2, 3, if it is group 1, 2, 3 exists, that means its inverse also exists. That means we take inverse along with inverse is 3, 2, 1. Similarly, here how I get this element of, I kept 4 fixed and now I keep the 3 fixed. Then that means 3 fixed means it is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Fixed means image of 3 I keep the same. That means now this I make 2, 4, 1. So this I can write in cycle term, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4 and 4 comes back to 1. Right? Now this is the next. Here I kept the 4 fixed and now I keep the 3 fixed. So 1, 2, 4 and its inverse is obviously 4, 2, 1. Right? Similarly I keep 2 fixed, that means 1, 3, 4 and its inverse I take 4, 3, 1. Similarly, if I fix 1, that means it is 2, 3, 4 and its inverse is 4, 3, 2. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 element like this. Now, out of this element, I can also make, so if I take 2 cycles, disjoint 2 cycles, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is definitely belong to this element because they are disjoint and they are 2 cycles, so it is also even. So I take 2 cycles, 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 1 3 1 3, this is also disjoint. Now I take 1 4 2 3, so it was 9 10 11 12. Now these are the elements, these are all even permutations and even reps. I think everything is covered. Now let H subgroup of A4 and order of H is equal to 6. Order of H is equal to 6, right? Now again let, because what is the index already we have defined. Now the index of H is 2, that is A4 H is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 2. That means that is number of distinct left or right cosets of HR2. That this mean one is H and one is alpha H, where alpha is a cycle of length 3. Why? Because if some element definitely will be there which will not be included in H of length 3. Why? Because the length 3 elements are 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and H has only 6 elements, so at least one element is out. If we include all element of length 3, then they are 8 number. That means 2 are out maximum. So one alpha will be there. That means this point is important. Alpha is cycle of length 3, and I told you why it is not belong to H, because the total number of permutations of length 3 are 8. So definitely there will be 2 at least which will be out, right? So now we know so one thing here we note, alpha does not belong to H as number of cycles of length 3 is 8. So H union alpha H is equal to A4, right? So this alpha square, so here one point is this and one point is this. since alpha belong to A4 and A4 is group, implies alpha square belong to A4 as A4 is group by closure property. By closure property, this will belong to this. Now A4 is equal to H union alpha H, implies alpha square belong to H union alpha H. At least alpha belong to this or alpha belong to that. Why? Because they are distinct. So alpha either alpha square belong to H or alpha square belong to AH. If alpha square belong to H and H is subgroup, this alpha square I can write what? I can write what is alpha square, because alpha has length 3, so alpha 3 is equal to identity. That means alpha square is equal to alpha inverse. If I take this mean, so alpha square is alpha inverse, this means alpha inverse belong to H, and this means if alpha inverse belong to H, then alpha must be there because H is subgroup. That means alpha belong to H as H is subgroup. And what now happen? Here we are supposing alpha not belong to H, and here we are showing alpha belong to H, which is a contradiction. So now I remove this part. Which is contradiction, that alpha not belong to H, right? So perhaps alpha square belong to alpha H. This means what? This means alpha square is equal to alpha H, like this, or H, what we can say, this alpha I can take what? This means from here what we can conclude, if I pre-multiplying alpha inverse, this means alpha is equal to H and H is element of H. So what we have proved, alpha again belong to H. So again contradiction, that alpha does not belong to H. This is the contradiction. Hence H is not subgroup of order 6. So what we have proved, 6 divide 12, but there is no subgroup of order 6. This is the converge of Lagrange's theorem.